Introducing Grof's Corporate Card, where you can streamline reimbursements and manage expenses more efficiently. First, let's start by creating a card. Head to the Cards tab and click Add New Card. Choose a purpose for the card, whether it's for ads, raw materials, or client projects. You name it. After that, you can choose to create the card for your team or yourself. Set a spending limit and pick a color. Issue the card and you're done. Now you can make payments easily by entering the card details or adding it to Google Pay for smoother business transactions. We understand managing team spending is tough. That's why at Grof we provide real-time spending insights of all cards and transactions. This gives you full control over spending and simplify budgeting. See anything suspicious? Simple. Just freeze it instantly or cancel it anytime. Grof's Corporate Card is more than a card. It's your financial sidekick, simplifying compliance, streamlining expenses, and giving you complete control over your company's cash flow. Empower your team with smarter spending. Get Grof from the App Store and Play Store today.